Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on friend requests accepted on your Roblox app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Roblox app. So all you have to do, so just go down here, you click on this sign down here, then it's going to take here in this window, and all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on settings, then it's going to take here to settings window. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications, then it's going to check here in this window or notifications list. So just hold on a second to open video here. So just switch it to open video, and all you have to do is to just click here on Roblox platform. Then you go down here, you click here on friends and groups. Then you go down here and you come here to friend request accepted. You will click here on all, and like you see now, that's mean it's turned on all friends request accepted. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.